Welcome everyone to HueFin News, home of the 2-minute price prediction, as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. Now today is October 15th, 2018, and this is a video about two stocks that are poised to make monstrous gains in 2019. These definitely are under the radar right now. They're definitely showing you some indications of weakness. So this is not the opportunity to necessarily look in and buy, but definitely one that you need to keep on your radar for the year of 2019. These two stocks definitely are poised for monstrous growth in 2018. Now, this is an article about Century Aluminum Company. Now, it was posted to the internet on October 2nd, 2018, written by Caleb Clifford, and it's simply asking the question, is it time to sell Century Aluminum? As we continue to look at this article, it reads that Berenberg rated the Century Aluminum Company as a sell in a research note published on Friday, September 21st, and posted a $10 price target on the common stock of CENX. Now, other Wall Street experts have also given their analyst ratings. Cohen gave the stock an outperform rating while setting the price target at 19, and JP Morgan as well has given a neutral rating on Friday, May 4th, 2018. Now, out of the 6 analysts who covered this particular company, one of them gave a buy rating, 2 of them gave an outperform rating, and 2 recommended as a hold. And there was one who gave a rating as a sell. So overall, you can see that this particular company, this stock, is still maintaining some of the strength from the analyst perspective. As we continue to look down in this article, looking at the past quarter for Century, you can see on this article that it reads that the shares fell 20%, and over the last 6 months, it even dropped further to 27.68% from the highs of this year. So now let's just go ahead and look at this particular price chart, and let me tell you all why I'm foreseeing increased price for 2019 for this particular company. So right now we're looking at the monthly chart for Century Aluminum, and definitely you can tell that this particular stock has been taking a beating. Weakness is still here in the market, so definitely is not the opportunity to actually place funds into this particular stock. I am still expecting it to move to the downside, especially for the remaining half of 2018, but we have 12 months in 2019 to where we can see substantial growth in this particular company, especially dependent on how long these tariffs go on between China and America. So looking here on the monthly chart, you can still see here that we are trading around some very good areas of support for Century. Okay, we are coming back down here to nice areas of support. I would say around that $7 price level would be a very good area of support. So as we continue to see this particular stock move to the downside in the near term, definitely you want to see it hold support around $7, $8, definitely around $8, or even $7.50. Okay, now if it cannot hold those two prices that I just given you, then it will come down to $5 throughout 2019. So as of right now, yes, I'm still seeing indications of weakness for Century Aluminum to where I will be expecting it to move to the downside. But as it moves to the downside, look at $7.50 or even $5.25 as areas of support. And from there, we should see an increase in volume to where the price for this stock will move to the upside. Okay. Now we have literally been seeing a massive decrease in price. We have a massive consolidation channel going on ever since 2009 to where that $3, $2 area has been held as support, but definitely $5 has been the area of support that needs to be watched. And the resistance area comes all the way up there to $20. So definitely throughout 2009, Century Aluminum looks to be on the increase in price. Got a little bit longer to go to move to the downside, but after that, definitely I will see indications of movement higher. So now the second one on the list is going to be Jagged Peak Energy. Okay, this article came out on October 14, 2018, posted by Lisa Matthews. It was upgraded at the Zacks investment research firm. They upgraded shares of Jagged Peak Energy from a hold rating to a buy rating. So that's a positive in a report published on Thursday. Now it currently has a $16 price target on this company. Now another thing I want to mention is that JP Morgan Chase also increased their price objective for this company from $15 to $17 and has given the stock an overweight rating in the research report that was given on October the 8th. Another research firm, Value Engine, also upgraded Jagged Peak Energy from a sell rating to a hold rating on September 18th. Barclays also started coverage on Jagged Peak Energy on their report from August 29th, which was on a Wednesday. They issued a equal weight rating with a price target of $15. KLR Group reiterated a buy rating and issued a $19 price target on the shares of Jagged Peak Energy. And finally, you can see that BMO Capital Markets has set a price target of $16 and had given the stock a buy rating in a research report that was written on August the 12th. So out of the 9 investment analyst firms, they have rated the stock with a hold rating and 8 have given a buy rating to the company stock. Currently, there is a consensus rating of a hold and a consistent price target of $16.18. And as you can tell that there's still some upside movement to go. You can tell right up here to the top right side of the screen that this current stock is trading at $13.70. So throughout 2019, we can still see a lot of indications of movement to the upside. Also wanted to show you that there have been some hedge funds that has purchased some additional shares in Jagged Peak Energy. Of note, it is Northern Trust Corporation. They purchased 741,991 shares of this company. Bank of New York Mellon also has increased their position by 38.1%. Take a look at Peak 6 Investments, increased their possessions as well of this particular company. And you can see that Bank of America Corp in Delaware increased its positions of Jagged Peak Energy. So there is a lot of hedge funds that are finding increased interest in this particular company and or stock. So something that we definitely need to look out in 2019. So let's go ahead and look at the price charts to see what exactly is going on for this company. So this is the monthly chart for Jagged Peak Energy, and you can still see that we are literally trading with a very wide channel for JAG, and the resistance area is coming in around that $15 price, and the support is coming around $11.50. We have some very wide price spread bars on this particular chart, something that we need to keep our focus and mind on to just show you the volatility that is coming into this particular market. So as of right now, you can see here that Jagged is weak. The weakness is still coming into the market. It has held support numerous times around that $13 area. In the near term, I'm still seeing indication that this stock is going to continue to move to the downside. So just keep that in mind. We definitely want to see a nice support area for JAG before we'll initiate our position in this particular company. $13, maybe even $12 would be a nice area of support. But the weekly bars is definitely showing us that the market is giving us some indications of weakness. Now, as we go throughout this week, definitely want to see the ability of Jagged to stay above $13.50, because if that's going to be the case, we might move a little bit higher in price even before 2019. So right now, you can see here that we are getting some weakness. That $14.50 area came in as a very strong area of support, and we're still getting indications of precursors of weakness bars in this space. So I'm still seeing indications that Jagged is weak in the near term. But as we continue to go out in time, this consolidation that we have been seeing for 2018, even into 2017, eventually will break out to the upside. Okay, so right now, definitely is the opportunity to try to evaluate and research this particular stock as we go into 2019, because as you saw in the article already, there are analysts, there are hedge funds who are buying interest in this particular company. But in the near term, I am still seeing it moving to the downside. So until we find a very strong area of support, stay on the sidelines until we see that occur. But definitely in 2019, this can be an indication to where the stock will move out to higher prices. So again, we are the home of the 2-minute price prediction, as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. We have given you these 2 articles to reflect on Century Aluminum as well as Jagged Peak Energy, and how these 2 companies are gained or positioned for monstrous gains in 2019. What do you think? What stocks do you think will give massive growth to the upside in 2019? Let us know in the comment section of this video. If you are new to our channel, go ahead and like and subscribe, and also understand that we are the only organization that is able to give you our price analysis, price predictions without the confusion and without wasting your time, because we do value your time as well. So again, if you do like this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell button as well, so you all can get notified when we give you more updates on the stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and even forex markets that are moving to where we can profit from in the near term. Again, we do appreciate you all watching this video. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.